Me, ladies and gentlemen, I'm overwhelmed with what is happening on this stage. Huge fan, big admirer, and so excited. But sir, if I may ask all three of you to actually take a seat.
Sure.
It just works better for cameras. All right. You have the gorgeous Alia Bhatt sandwiched between you two. All right. Okay. Alia. अब आलिया मैं ये तो पूछूंगा नहीं कि कैसा लगा इन लेजेंड्स के साथ काम करके because you truly have been around cinema legends during the making of RRR. लेकिन ये जरूर पूछना चाहूंगा कि तीनों के साथ काम करके तुमने क्या सीखा? What did you learn when you worked with these three magicians?
Between all three of them, that's one thing in common. They're so warm, they're so caring, they're so down to earth. And I guess that's the reason people connect with them at such a large level. Because they're just, at the end of the day, they'll be your friend, they'll be your, caretaker, they'll play multiple roles just with their warmth.
That's fantastic. It's so wonderful to be so welcomed. We've started Chai with Karan on Rajamouli sir's instruction. So now we need a little masala and I'll tell you what the masala will be. आप दोनों में से मैं पूछूंगा कुछ सवाल and you can point fingers at each other for who you think the question is applicable for. All right? This is the boys. Alia, you can be judge.
Okay.
All right. So I'm asking you to the two boys. सेट पे तैयार होने पे सबसे ज्यादा टाइम किसे लगता है?
What
No,
nonsense?
she's not in the game.
Not at all. I'm not in the game. It's between both of you.
You're partial to her.
Set पे
You're partial.
who takes the maximum time? Alia's not in the
Sir,
game.
I didn't see
No,
Ajay sir getting
Karan,
ready.
Karan, you're partial
So,
to her.
I didn't see Ajay sir getting ready, so he might...
No,
Excuse
I'm
me.
taking a
Hello.
follow on Ajay
Follow
sir.
the rules.
No,
you all
I-
have to point at which have set पे
So
सबसे ज्यादा.
Tarak says Charan takes longer to get ready. Yeah.
He comes first, but also he's first. I get ready.
I heard
No,
a little birdie on the set told me that Tarak, you come 30 minutes before call time.
1 hour.
1 hour before call
1
time.
hour before.
Wow. Student of the year you are.
Chalo, I come
Student
late.
number one.
Okay. That we've got. Jaldi तैयार में we have understood it is you. But set पे late कौन आता है? Then I'm presuming.
Bhaiya.
He said it himself.
Don't worry, Charan.
Sir, उन्होंने
But
ही-
most superstars come late. It's a superstar thing.
It's a superstar trait.
superstar thing. Acha, who is maximum on the phone?
Tarak.
Alia.
Alia's not included
It's
in
Alia's
this.
not.
Arey, no, you'll have to include her in this. Yes.
She's okay.
Long distance relationship.
Can I
she
have
has
the
to
question?
handle-
So
She has to handle that. So, long distance relationship, so give it to her.
Tarak.
Give it
What
to her.
long distance?
She was on the phone. I don't know what happens, but she's on a video call also.
I must
Oh, maybe the other are.
say, she was always on the phone.
Hey, she was like, there's this crazy video call which happens, phones like this, and then she's sitting in a car, and then I don't know what.
This game is between both of you.
I don't know who she's
It's the
talking
other
to.
R.
Alia, I thought I taught you
other
well. I thought I taught you well. This is what you're doing on the sets of a Rajamouli film.
No, definitely it's
You're
not.
on the phone.
Definitely it's not Karan on the video. It's R.
Okay.
But yeah, Tarak is on the phone
Okay,
all the
now
time.
this is a question for the two boys. Now, Tarak, you cannot involve
But
Alia.
this one I had to involve the other boy.
No, that's very credible of you to do that.
So why don't we have 4 hours going on here?
All right. Dono mein se, sir, maybe you can answer this or tell me if what they're saying is right. Dono mein se, who forgets his lines first?
They don't forget the lines, but Charan always forgets the names. He always forgets the names.
You forget your own character's name.
No, no.
Names. I can call you Sanjay Leela Bansali by mistake.
Exactly.
I'm okay with you calling me Sanjay Bansali. There are a couple of names I will not forgive you for if you call
I
me.
won't say.
Okay. All right. Lunch का डब्बा सबसे बेस्ट किसका होता है?
Charan.
He is a great cook, but I have a great cook at home.
Oh, he's a great cook. You have a
I
greater
have a
cook.
great cook.
Fantastic. All right. Okay, now to both of you, and Alia, you can join in and have some fun with us as well. I'm going to give you one word, and you will have to describe the emotion in one word. I'll just throw it at you. I'll start with you, Tarak. Just one word. I will say one word I want to hear from you. So, Rajamouli as director.
Roar.
Roar. You have a word, Charan.
Headmaster.
Headmaster. Alia, you have a word.
I was going to say that only. Master. Maestro.
One word for Alia as a co-star.
I personally think for the talent she has, she's just scratched the tip of the iceberg. There's the whole lot
So much more to
waiting
rise.
for her.
Rise.
And she
rise.
just started it. So it's for me, Alia is
Do you?
a rise.
He roared. He talked about rising. Are you going to revolt?
Not at all. She's not revolt. She really compliments her actors, but she's a surprise. I've been
She's a
following.
surprise.
I've been following her work. I've been a huge admirer of her work, but she still surprises you.
The word is surprise then for you, Alia.
Surprise.
Fantastic. We love that. One thing to you both, to Tarak and you, Charan, I must say one thing. There are fans, there will be fans. But, I have never seen this kind of a fandom. I hope I didn't torture you all too much. These were easy, simple questions and
Absolutely
answers.
not, sir. It was
And-
truly an honor sitting on the stage with you.
Thank you
Thank
from
you
the
so
bottom
much.
of my heart. God bless all of you. Here's to the biggest, hugest, massivest movie experience on the 7th of Jan. And I will be standing first in line, not as a filmmaker, but as a fan.
Thank
God
you so
bless.
much, sir. Thank you so much.